Hello guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. Wow friends, see there is many color combination toy vehicles here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toy vehicles with my hand. At first is a police helicopter. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this police helicopter. This one is very nice and colorful. And next one is a Feluder here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this Feluder. This one is orange and black color combination. And next one is a under construction vehicle drum truck here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this drum truck. This one is red, black and blue color combination. And this is a tourist bus, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this tourist bus. This one is red, black and yellow color combination. And next one is a cartoony drum truck, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this cartoony drum truck. This one is pink paste and purple color combination. Wow friends, see, this is R17 Honda, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this R17 Honda. This one is yellow and black color combination. This is the last one, is a big size Spider-Man car, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this Spider-Man car. This one is black, yellow and white color combination. So friends, all of these vehicles hand drive and serially parked here, all are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.